The Control Center on the NinjaTrader Desktop trading platform is the hub of your trading platform. Think of it as the brain of your entire desktop setup, starting with New, which allows you to add certain features to your desktop, then Tools, Workspaces, Connections, Help tab, Chat tab, and on the right side you could launch NinjaTrader Live Streams. On the bottom, you'll see a green dot that confirms you're connected to a data stream. You could add additional tabs. I've already added them all for you to see here. Let's explore the New tab. This gives me the ability to do things like launch a new chart, launch a new Superdome, order ticket, time and sales window, market analyzer, which serves as a quote board, and other features in the NinjaTrader Desktop platform. The Tools menu allows you to add instruments or markets, manage your database, and importantly, import third-party plugins from the NinjaTrader ecosystem. There's an Options tab at the bottom. Workspaces, you could save workspaces and toggle between them as you create them. Connections gives you the ability to connect to a data feed. The Help menu provides resources, help guides, video guides, email support, which is key, remote support, and other features. And finally, live chat could be activated by clicking on that chat button. Hope that helps.